Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. In this video, we will do a walkthrough of the Build and Secure Networks in Google Cloud Challenge Lab. Let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at what this lab is asking us to do. So in this scenario, there is a person who has created a small website, and basically you have to come and fix some of the security challenges in this design, in this small setup. So there are more details given here, basically to ensure the Bastion host does not have a public IP address. You can only SSH into it using the browser, and you should only be SSHing to the Bastion host. You should only be doing an SSH to the juice shop from the Bastion host, and only HTTP should be allowed to the juice shop from everywhere, and make sure the subnets which you allow are not overly permissive. Okay, so the first one is check the firewall rules, remove overly permissive rules. Okay, so we go to firewall section, firewall, open access. Okay, probably just delete it. Okay, check progress. That's good. Now navigate to the compute engine in the Cloud Console and identify the Bastion host. The instance should be stopped. Okay, so we go to the compute engine. And yes, indeed, this is stopped. We started. That's what it is asking for. Okay, starting succeeded. Let's check. Good. The next step is the Bastion host is the one machine authorized to receive external SSH traffic. Okay, create a firewall rule that allows SSH from the IAP service. The firewall rule should be enabled on the Bastion via a network tag. Okay, so we basically have to configure inbound SSH access to the Bastion host. So let's see if it's working right now. Okay, so there is a problem. Not now. Okay, so let's try the Bastion tag here, and IP address range we do 00000 from everywhere. This is the firewall rule allowing SSH access to the Bastion host, and TCP port 22. Okay, create Bastion tag, tag, save. Okay, so the instance is also updated with the exact same tag, Bastion tag, which the firewall rule has. Okay, let's try to SSH one more time. Okay, it is working. So this third bullet is also done. Okay, so this is this is still complaining. Okay, so I think so this probably is because of the 000, like access from everywhere, and the IAP service is from here. Okay, so let's try that. Firewall rule, edit, delete. Okay, save. Okay, so we just made sure that the SSH is only allowed from the IAP service IP addresses. We will give it one more try. And it is working. So let's see if this allows us to complete. Nice. Okay. Let's look at the next step. The Juice Shop server serves HTTP. Create a firewall rule that allows HTTP to any address. Okay, that sounds easy. Firewall. Create firewall rule. Juice Shop HTTP access 80 Acme ingress allow Juice Shop 80 So we allow from anywhere to port 80 TCP. Create and go to the VM and assign that tag. Juice Shop edit Juice Shop 80 Okay, this is done. Let's check it. Okay, the next step is you need to connect to Juice Shop from Bastion Host using SSH. Create a firewall rule that allows traffic on SSH from Acme Management Subnet networks. The firewall rule should be enabled on Juice Shop via a tag. Okay, so we basically want to create a firewall rule which allows TCP/22 from the Acme Management Subnet to the Juice Shop. So let's take a look at the Acme Management Subnet, which is this IP address here. So I have copied it. Okay, and then we create a firewall rule. Okay, so we create a firewall rule, allow network Acme ingress target tag, just keep the same name. IP address range is this one, and only 22. Okay, create, and then we will go ahead and apply it. To the Juice Shop. Okay, save. Done. Let's check the progress. Good stuff. And the final step is to SSH to the Bastion host and then SSH to the Juice Shop. So SSH to the Bastion host first, and copy the IP address of the Juice Shop and SSH. So we are SSHing to the Bastion host, and then we SSH to the Juice Shop. And sure enough, we are in the Juice Shop. Let's check progress. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching.